So today I thought I'd do a bit of a bike check on my Peugeot sitting bull. I think this is a 1986 sitting bull I bought not too long ago. I wanted something a bit more of a versatile cruiser, mountain bikey type thing. I wanted to convert it to drops, and this came up locally to me and I bought it straight away. It came pretty much stock, the bull moose handlebars, Shimano deer head componentry, some French Diablo wheels with a helicomatic freewheel on there. Yeah, deer head shifters, and I think there's some old Dicom brake levers, but I wanted to switch it up a bit, put this into drop bar, which I personally absolutely love drops. I just find that I can't get flats to just be comfortable for me. Maybe it's because I've never set them up right, but I just prefer a nice drop. So I put some Tour Grouchy shifters on there, a big noodly stem, which aesthetically I love, but some people may not like that. It's got Netto dirt drop handlebars on there, which are my favourite handlebars on a mountain bike anyway at the moment. Yeah, they're sick. They're the 520mm ones. They just sit really nice in the drops. Not too much space up top, but you only need a width of a hand. I have quite big wide hands, but these do alright. Some Shimano old school non-aero brake levers. These are Dicomp brakes with some cool stock pads on there, because everyone on the internet said they were good, and so far they've been pretty good. I've stuck with the original crank. Not too sure what the brand is, something France. I'm not too sure. I've got my MKS pedals on there, but I swapped with a Shimano dual-sided pedal body, so I can run clips and run flats on the same bike. There's a bit of bodging involved with that, but you know, it works pretty well. I'm well happy with it. Yeah, I love these pedals. Still got the deer head derailleur on there, front derailleur. It does the job. But the rear derailleur I had to swap over because it just absolutely shifted like dogger. Yeah, it wasn't very good. I've got a XTR rapid rise on there, paired with the bar end shifters. That they work amazingly, and it's got a quite nice cable run on there, which I like. So nice and tiny. Got an 8-speed XTR cassette on there, I believe. Or an XT cassette on an XT wheel. It's pretty cool. For the saddle, I normally use a B72, but it was my birthday recently and I got this B72 with the springs underneath. It works quite well on this frame because the standard seat post is one of the old style where you have to have a clamp up the top. And the saddle comes with one of those clamps, so worked out pretty well. I've got a Paradise bag on there, the best value for money you can ever get on a bike bag. These things are brilliant. I think I bought 2 of these bags for less than 100 quid. The long flap and the barley, I think it was in a sale, but either way you can get these bags and they're amazing. Sew your patches onto them. Look pretty sick. Put my picking here. Yeah, just a bit of personal flavour on there. But yeah, that's my bike. hope you enjoy the ride.